Well, I think it's charged. I'm gonna try it. This guy is what's bad, I think. She won't start. So maybe I'll change that too before I get to editing. Stick around. I'm putting on a new Snowflap because the engine won't start, because I think I need a new starter solenoid. So welcome back and enjoy. I don't know what size torque, it's probably this one. It's already out. Looks like we're in place. Back. Whoop, that one broke. That would be in there. Whew. It's all bent up, huh? Gotta get this one still. Oops. Snap it. This is a mess, so I don't want to lose all this stuff down here. Pick this stuff up. I wonder if that's a good size for it. Anyone have an opinion? I'm not big on these, so. But I don't think I have any bigger ones. This is all same. See the difference. That bottom gets eaten. Goes right under there. Goes inside. Hey, I think. Ouch. Yeah, there we go. Those four guys. Let's see how this thing works. So let's just give it a try. How do you do it? I don't even know how to operate this thing. Huh. That looks like it came out good. Huh. I don't know how to operate this thing. Doesn't. All right. Well, I figured that out. I don't know. Maybe it's just Probably do that on every one of them. Yes, came out that time. That's nice. All right, on this side. Cool. Nice. That's pretty sweet. Put the bumper back on, that's it. Oh, Jamie. Oh, there's one over there. Okay. Oh, what torque we need. Oh, I need the 8mm. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know Loctite. I don't. I just play it. I just wing it. That should be cleaned and dried. Apply. And I wonder why I lose bolts. You know? You don't do things completely. That's what happens. This way, if I lose that, close these guys up. If I lose those, they're good. Go here. Oh, we're gonna put you away. And now look, it's all dripping down to the bottom, which I don't want anything. Took 2 seconds to dry up. Yeah, look at that ice. Oh! Not easy, but not impossible. Tighten that. Oh wait, let's get those other ones up. 2 more and our job's complete. Take that back and the other one seems lined up too. Awesome. Well, there it is. The new Snowflap. Let's see how it goes. This guy is what's bad, I think. She won't start. So maybe I'll change that too. Got it. I can't believe it. It's only Thursday. It's pretty good. It looks like the right one. I've already checked it out. Okay, little starter solenoid. Just gonna install it right in there. Let's lower you in. I think first thing I'll do is disconnect the battery. time. Oops, plate. The old. Looks like the right one. Connected. And that's why I just connected the battery, because I just crossed that. All right, that tray. Alright, looks pretty good. We got it on there, everything's tight. It's the moment of truth. See if it was that or not. Well folks, we did it, and that's pretty much it. We got that new starter solenoid put in there, it's pretty solid. Oh no, it's not it. I still have to get some plastic rivets, that's right. But I put in the new Snowflap, which looks real nice. That got nice put together. And she starts out. And that's the way it was. This one's good. Now, starter solenoid. Beautiful. Okay, off we go. It's gonna be a beautiful afternoon. It's gonna be a quick trip. Give it a little test drive. Okay, there's your moment of zen right there. Those cars coming in. The groom is coming up. Comes the groomer. Good job, guys. No kids. Loving it. So fortunate. Just sending out gratitude to being on this machine and in this machine, the machine of this moment, with groomers and it's awesome. Awesome shot. Well, Let's say I test it out. Oh, I better put the scratchers up, bro.